Hi there, students. Noisome. Noisome, an adjective. I guess you could make the adverb noisomely. Okay, noisome is something that's unpleasant. It's disgusting. It's offensive. Yeah, you don't like it. Okay, so the noisome food that they served in the penitentiary. So noisome, it can be morally hurtful or noxious. Yeah, so it's bad for the morality of people. I don't know, alcohol has various noisome effects on society. Noisome could mean hurtful or bad for health, unwholesome, insalubrious, the noisome conditions that the poor people had to live in. And then noisome, offensive to the different senses, disgusting, nauseous, a noisome smell, a foul smell. The noisome smell coming from the drains made me want to vomit. Notice many native speakers think this adjective noisome is related to a loud noise because they sound the same. I mean, yes, a loud noise could be noisome. It could be annoying and upset you. But notice the origin is different. Noisome comes from Middle English, noisome, meaning annoying, which comes from the French ennuyer, to annoy, and that in itself from Latin in odiare. Okay, so noisome is not necessarily anything to do with noise. Okay, so if something's noisome, it's unpleasant, it's offensive. Yeah, a noisome smell, particularly his noisome attitude, the noisome views of a racist. Okay, noisome, unpleasant, harmful. Yeah, this COVID is a noisome pestilence. The noisome rubbish was piling up on the streets because there was a strike of the dustbin men. Yeah, his noisome habits are really rather objectionable and make me feel a bit sick. Yeah, so noisome, insalubrious, unhealthy, unwholesome, unpleasant, nasty, something that you really don't like. The noisome cigar smoke in the room made me feel queasy. Bleh. Okay, so I've explained the origin. I think this is a very literary word. I'm going to give this word 6.5 to 7.5 informality. Yeah, in an informal conversation, use unpleasant, horrible, stinky, musty, unhealthy, something like that. This you should use for semi-formal and formal writing. I think be careful because I think maybe many native speakers would not be happy using this word or to what it means. Okay, the noisome odour that the skunk sprayed all over me. God, it was horrible. Yeah, the noisome fumes coming from the road. Yeah, his noisome opinions, his noisome body odour. Okay, so there you go, noisome. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Noisome.